Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this cold winter day. Extreme weather is moving over South Africa, where the South African Weather Service has issued 4 warnings. The first one is for heavy rain along the eastern coastline, where more than 50 millimeters is possible in 24 hours. The second one is for significant snowfall over the Drakensberg and the mountain ranges of the Eastern Cape. And the third one is for gale force winds, which is between Cape St. Francis and Durban, with wind speeds more than 65 kilometers per hour, which will be accompanied by high seas between Cape Agulhas and Richards Bay. We can still see that push of moisture and cold air from the Atlantic Ocean, and this is why we had some light rain this morning over parts of the Northern Cape, the Free State, along the south coastline into the Eastern Cape, where we already had some snow falling over the Drakensberg. For the rest of the day, we still have that possibility of snow falling over the mountain ranges of the Eastern Cape into Beaufort West, and extreme weather along the coastline of the Eastern Cape, where we can expect very wet and windy conditions. We can also expect a breezy day in the interior of South Africa with a very cold day, maximum temperatures below 20 degrees. Tomorrow we still have a possibility of snow over the Drakensberg with a partly cloudy day in the western parts of South Africa, drizzle in the morning over Port Elizabeth, and light rain all along the coastline to Richards Bay, and believe it or not, more cooling down in the interior of South Africa. On our rainfall chart, we can see we have the possibility of snow over the Drakensberg reaching into parts of the Western Cape, widespread rainfall along the eastern coastline with a 60% chance in the surrounding areas and a 40% chance in the Western Cape, Northern Cape and Free State. On our wind chart, we can see we have a southwesterly wind where it will be strong in the interior of South Africa, and gale force winds in East London reaching 75 kilometers per hour. Maximum temperatures for today, it's going to be a very cold day in most parts of South Africa with maximum temperatures below 20 degrees, only 14 degrees in Johannesburg, 15 in Cape Town, 11 degrees in Graafrenet. A warmer day in the eastern part with Richards Bay 26 degrees and 25 degrees in Durban. Minimum temperatures below freezing point tonight in the central parts of South Africa, where Johannesburg will drop down to a low of -1 degrees, as well as in Bloemfontein, -3 degrees as we head into Bethlehem. Minimum temperatures below 5 degrees in most parts of South Africa, 8 degrees in Cape Town, and a warmer start today in KwaZulu-Natal with Richards Bay a low of 15 degrees. If you look at our extended forecast for Friday, we still can expect very rainy weather along the coastline with a sunny day in the interior parts, but very cold. Maximum temperatures are still below 20 degrees. And by Saturday, another cool day, a little bit of warming up in the eastern parts with a possibility of light rain in Richards Bay. That's all from me. Enjoy the day.